Welcome to the Avangrid Foundation's AvantGives 2020-2021. We asked our employees, what's important to you about diversity and inclusion with a focus on women? And they told us. From many submissions, we selected 12 as our 2020-2021 grantees. Meet Portland Community Squash, based in Portland, Maine. Portland Community Squash and their Rally Portland program was the first urban youth squash program in the United States. This model effort is breaking down barriers on and off the court and building community by introducing college-level competitive squash to a diverse group of underserved students, while providing wraparound services, learning hubs, and mentoring for the student athletes through a 6-year or more intensive program. In this video, you will meet Sarah Stickney, PCS Operations Director, and Ken Farber, Senior Counsel at Avangrid Networks, an avid squash player and mentor who nominated PCS and the Rally Portland program.
I nominated Portland Community Squash because it's really a remarkably inclusive and transformational organization. You know, it's really changing the lives of the kids who are part of this program, many of whom are part of Portland's growing, vibrant immigrant population. Who at PCS are really part of an amazing and welcoming community of squash players, of mentors, volunteers such as myself, and a remarkable, dedicated, energetic, and talented staff at PCS and part of the Rally Portland program.
The Rally Portland program is our most intensive program. As I said, it supports students from 6th grade all the way through actually to age 25. They come to the building. They play squash. We have a wellness curriculum, which includes nutrition, fitness, yoga, mindfulness, and critical conversations. And then, of course, there's intensive academic support through that program. Respect, effort, and positivity are the 3 sort of main components of our program. And we talk about it all the time with students and members and amongst the staff.
And I'm a mentor to a really sweet immigrant girl from Somalia who is learning squash and is focused on her studies. And it's just a great thing to be part of this and to be part of seeing, you know, someone besides your own kids getting ready to go to college. And while she's only an 8th grader this year, you can see that this program has really helped develop kids who otherwise might not have this opportunity and might just be lost within our community. It really has brought joy to my life. And to have Avangrid part of it makes it even more special.